So welders should own how they make money and rent where they lay their head. And I want to say it like that because when you're starting business and you really want to get successful, you're going to have to make sacrifices. But you want to own how you make your money. That means you want to own your equipment, your machine, the vehicle you use, the tools. You don't have to necessarily own the building. You can lease it until you get to a situation where you own it if that's what you want to do. But you most definitely want to own how you make money. So if it comes to you have to rent a building at first, you want to get to the point where you can buy one, where you own everything. That's just the stages. Ownership is where it's at, man. Um, we have to start small, but it is all about ownership, ownership. Own how you make money, own real estate, own products, own services, own your website, own. But you can't get caught up in getting the wrong things because a lot of times we try to own the wrong things. Like I said in a video yesterday when I was talking about welders buy with their minds and not with their eyes because we got to know. We have to um, know what to invest in. So do your homework, do your research, contact, invest in the right people to get you to that right level. So that way you can actually make money. We're in a time now we know bills are always gonna come in. We're always gonna have issues we're gonna have to address, but we're living in a capitalist country. So you got to have finances and you have to understand it. Finances are not the devil. Being rich is not the devil. You know what I mean? But we have to understand it. Once you understand it and you start getting the flow in, then you start getting the feel of things. It's to be able to live comfortable and actually enjoy life. We want to work, but we want to live. We got to have a balance between the two. So that's why I say that because I think it's very, very important. Own how you make your money, rent where you lay your head. Hold on.